intend to tell you our view of the case here. And first of all, tell you that you do focus on the actions of the defendant. Whether you hurt somebody's fingernail or whether you kill somebody, it's the actions of the defendant that the judge will tell you about in the jury instructions. No one's going to tell you this wasn't a horrible, horrible situation. What happened was a family tragedy. But again, it was a tragedy that does not amount to a crime under Florida law if you will listen to the evidence that is on or the jury instructions that he will read you at the end of this case. Facts are really simple. They're not really in dispute. I don't think you're going to hear the defense question too many witnesses about too many things. Again, it's not in dispute. I think the state will probably introduce, 3 videos, which we would introduce if they didn't, which will show you what I'm talking about, which will prove what I'm telling you, which will create a reasonable doubt in your mind. Tracy Nix is a loving mother, grandmother, retired school teacher of 39 years, principal for 17 years, good member of her church for 39 years, member of the choir, Sunday school teacher, and attends, not prayer meeting as they said, but Bible study once a week. They have a group. And you say, well, why am I bringing that up? That's because that's where Tracy Nix was headed that morning, was to Bible study with her group that meets every, I believe it's Tuesday morning. After she was leaving she was either getting ready to go or had left, her daughter Kayla said, hey, can you keep the baby today? I've got a hair appointment. Tracy had had the child 4 days the week before. She normally kept the child at least 1 or 2 days a week for quite a period of time. Tracy, trying to do a favor for her daughter, agrees to keep this child so that her daughter can go to the hair appointment. Tracy attends this Bible study. She then goes, she picks the child up, Yuri, we'll call her Yuri, picks Yuri up, goes to Beef O'Brady's with lunch with the ladies, some of the ladies she had Bible study with. You can see, I think that state will introduce the video showing the attention that was given to Yuri by Tracy Nix, how she was acting toward her, and you will see how much she loved and cared for this child. After Beef O'Brady's, Tracy took the child home. I think it's about an 11-minute drive. They were doing roofing at her house that day. She couldn't park in the garage. I think you'll hear her statement. She doesn't remember where she parked, but she parked under a tree because she couldn't park in the garage. So she was distracted by that. The dog was in the way. She was distracted by the dog. She got out. She forgot the child. She forgot the child in the car. There's no doubt about that. She went in the house. She spent some time. She was focused. She was supposed to take her grandson by another daughter out to go really Christmas shopping and then take him out to eat. She was concerned about that. She gets in the car. She drives out to the barn. She's talking to her husband, and she realizes what's happened. She forgot. There's no aggravating factors here that make this culpable negligence as opposed to simple negligence, forgetting something. We all do that. You will see her reaction. You will see how she feels when this happens. And it's completely devastated, completely. And I won't discuss it now because I think pictures and videos are worth thousands of words. I'll let you decide how she felt, how this amount occurred, what she did, what she said, and how she felt. So the defense position is this was negligence, it was simple negligence, it was an accident. Under Florida law, it does not amount to culpable negligence. If you will follow the jury instructions in this case, read the instructions on culpable negligence, I think you'll be able to take them back in the jury room with you. You will see what I'm saying. As horrible as this tragedy is, it's not culpable negligence. Thank you.
All right. Steve, call your first witness, please.
Yes, Your Honor, Steve, call Tracy Nix.
All right, Ms. Nix, come on over here, we'll get you sworn in.